This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and today I'll show how you can find the battery specifications, battery info, such as voltage and current temperature, the drone's battery to be precise, on this device. So to start, you will need to enter the Fly interface and open settings by tapping at the three dots you'll find to your top right. Now enter the first category, that is safety. Scroll down and look for the battery info section. Here it is. Tap on it, and now you can see the battery cell status, so both separate cell voltage as well as the general battery voltage, the current drone's battery temperature, serial number of the battery that is currently inserted into your drone, as well as how many charging cycles the battery had. Mine is brand new, so 0 is true info, it checks out. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.